Welcome to Little India in Singapore. This is where the local Indian culture and heritage thrives. It is colourful, vibrant, and bustling with traffic, more so around the month of Deepavali. Deepavali, also known as Diwali or the Festival of Lights, is a festival that marks the triumph of good over evil and is celebrated by Indians all over the world. In Singapore, families turn their homes into beacons of light, exchange gifts, share feasts, and also offer prayers to deities such as Lakshmi, who is the goddess of fertility and prosperity. While most of the celebrations take place at home, Little India District is the place to be in Singapore if you want to soak up the sights, smells, and sounds of the festivities. Of course, you don't have to be Indian to appreciate Deepavali. Anyone in Singapore is welcome to join in the festivities no matter your cultural background. This year, the Indian Heritage Centre is kicking things up a notch with a Deepavali open house, featuring an open-top big bus tour around Little India to explore the historic precinct at the height of the festivities. We got a sneak peek at what's in store when you join the tour. Besides the bus tour, this year's open house will feature a lineup of exciting programs, including Deepavali-themed craft workshops, evening trishaw rides, heritage trails and tours, and more. From now till 31st October, visitors from all cultural backgrounds are invited to join in and discover the meaning and traditions of the festival, while immersing themselves in the joyous atmosphere. You can register for the programs via this link or head down to the Indian Heritage Centre where admissions are free for everyone. See you there!
Coconuts TV.